Hi, babe. Didn't you see there? Okay, so I'm just playing with some puppies right now, and Stanley brought in a rock into the house. Oh my god. And I don't want him running around with the rock in his mouth, so I don't know what to do. Tell who the two good dogs are, and who the bad one is that won't let go of his stupid rock. The two that stick with me and love me, that's you, you're a good boy. And the bad dog, the one I cannot stand, the devil himself. I love you so much. And I love you so much. I hate you. You're so stupid. So, my new tactic for getting the rock out of that demon dog's mouth is to sit with a jar of open peanut butter and wait for him to come. Okay, so the clips I'm about to show are super disgusting. It's basically me and Hannah just spitting all over each other, so viewer discretion's advised. But I miss Hannah a lot, and I want her to be in my vlog right now, so I'm adding them in.
Oh, we got some distance on that one. It didn't work. Don't do it again. You're like a squirt gun.
Give this to my mouth. Ew.
Got this down, and we tried to scare Abby, and we were like crawling on the floor, and she could hear us.
Oh. Let's just skin.
We'll scan you.
I look bad.
Well, you're right. Okay. Well, it's down my bra.
Your face is just cracking me up right now.
I feel like a wet dog that just got left in the rain in a puddle, and nobody is picking me up.
Hey guys, we're on our way back from the movies right now, so I'm going to insert some clips of Abby attempting to rock climb and failing miserably. Enjoy! Okay. Oh! You're not that bad. Come on. Ow, that really hurt. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next Friday.